You're wanting to start an affiliate marketing business. You don't have money, you don't have experience, but you have a desire to get started. Well, welcome. I'm so glad to have you here. My name is Darcy, and if you stick with me long enough, I'm gonna help you start a business of your very own. And so not too long ago, I was in your shoes. I was interested in making money out of my 9-to-5. Didn't know where to start, how to start, or who was gonna help me. But unlike you, I didn't have anyone to help me. I made a ton of mistakes, but I'm grateful for them because it got me to where I am. And so my goal today is to give you 9 actionable steps that'll take you from having this dream of doing more and making more all the way to having an affiliate marketing business set up and ready to go. And so I took the bold step of making my first YouTube video, and then I made another and another and another. And so it just happened to be that the content I was talking about was perfect for affiliate marketing. That changed everything for me. And I know when you do these 9 steps, it's going to change your life as well. The first step to getting started with affiliate marketing is to develop a growth mindset. A great place to read up on what exactly is a growth mindset is the book Mindset by Carol Dweck. In this book, Carol Dweck gives great examples about how different mindsets, the growth versus the fixed mindset, have a strong effect on how successful people are in their lives. And to me, having a growth mindset means that where I am today is not who I will be in my future. The skills I have today, the mindset I have today, the attitude I have today, the style I have today will not be the same in the future. That I have the power to be and grow into the person that I want to be. And so the main thing to take away is that everything that you have is more than enough, and that you are capable of accomplishing your wildest dreams. And so if you haven't had anybody tell you that they believe in you, I want you to know that I believe in you. I see a future where you are thriving, you are happy, and you are in your zone. And so the benefit of having a growth mindset is that although you're watching a video today about how to get started, 6 months from now, a year from now, you're going to be running a successful affiliate marketing business that is successfully making thousands of dollars a month. Now that your mind's right, let's go into step 2, which is brainstorming ideas. And so real quick, this is gonna be fun. You're gonna go grab a sheet of paper and a pen. I want you to draw 2 lines on your paper from top to bottom. It's gonna create 3 columns. In the first column, you're gonna say, what am I good at? In the second column, as a title, you're gonna write, what do people ask me to help them with? And then lastly, in the third column, what do you like talking about? And so you can come back to this video anytime, but I want you to spend a good 5 to 10 minutes writing out at least 2 to 3 bullet points at the very least for each of these questions, because they're going to help determine the products or services that you decide to talk about. And so once you have everything written out, you should start feeling inspired. When it comes to things that I'm good at everything data, which means that I know how to use Excel, and I can build fancy charts in tools like Tableau and Power BI. I'm good at budgeting and saving money, maybe a little bit too much, as I can definitely be a stickler to staying on budget. On the lighter note, I'm also really good at eating. I feel like I'm an expert eater. If there's any food anywhere, let me know so that I can eat it. I'm definitely one of those people who live to eat rather than eat to live. And just with that one example, I want you to know that this is supposed to be a super fun exercise, writing about the things that you're good at or the things that you care about. I also feel like I'm good at breaking the ice and explaining complicated things. And so after spending 5 or 10 minutes, I hope you have a ton of things written down on paper. If by chance you do not, I want to ask you one more question to spark ideas. And so that additional question I want you to ask yourself is, what have you overcome? There is something in your life that you have been able to get through as you are still standing here today. You can write down at least one difficult thing that has happened in your life, regardless of that situation, that you are still here today. And so now that you have all of those ideas written down, I want you to start connecting those ideas with a product or service. And if there isn't an existing problem or service, that's where you can come in and create one. But I'm going to go into a bit more detail about that later on. So let me give you a personal example to connect the idea to a product. And so I really enjoy helping people improve their finances. One way that they can improve their finances is by saving money. And so now I can think about all the companies out there that help people save more money. The one company that comes to mind straight away is Mint Mobile. You probably heard of Mint Mobile. You've seen this dude right here in a ton of commercials talking about how he doesn't even like creating commercials and that he constantly cuts the price of his services. He has his family in these commercials and he is constantly talking about cutting the price of his services, even though their price is already the cheapest when compared to other cell phone companies. And so in less than a minute, I was able to connect something I'm passionate about to a product that I can refer to people, which at its simplest is what affiliate marketing is. It's saying, hey friend, I think this product or this service is really good. I personally use it, or I know other people that use it, and I think that if you used it, it would make your life better. And so at this point, you have ideas and you have products associated with those ideas. Now it's time for step 3, which is setting goals. And so when it comes to setting goals, it's really important that you ask yourself, how much do you want to make on a monthly basis? Do you want it to be an additional $100 a month or 9 Chipotle burritos? Or do you want it to be $1,000 a month or 90 Chipotle burritos? You get to determine how much additional money do you want to make from this. Are there any goals that you want to achieve with this side hustle or business? Do you want to pay off debt? Do you want to go on an all expense vacation? And so setting the intent of how much money you want to make in a month and the benefit that you're going to receive in your life because you started affiliate marketing. And so when you're able to set financial goals and tie it to an actual benefit in your life, you're 10 times more likely to make that goal a reality. For step 4, you're going to create a website. And so a really good website to promote affiliate links is Linktree. And so with Linktree, you can organize your affiliate links by giving them titles and organizing them in different sections. To give you an example, with my Linktree, I've organized the first 2 sections by where you were in the process of setting up an LLC. I have pre-LLC formation and then LLC formation. And so there's different things that you need to do in each stage of the process. So you can organize your Linktree based off the idea you had in step 2 in a very similar way. And so what I'm about to say might be a little controversial, but the reason why you're creating a website before you actually have the affiliate links is because it's important that you remember that you are supposed to be promoting products that you personally recommend or think would be good for your audience. When I first got started, I sent people directly to the website without even including an affiliate link because I truly believed that the company was a good company and I wanted to share it with my audience. And so when starting out with affiliate marketing, it's important that you set the intention that you're going to help people. And I would say when you're first getting started, refer to people to these products or services without even having an affiliate link, as this builds trust with your audience. When I first got started, I didn't have partners that I was working with. I just wanted to share good quality companies. And so when you're first getting started, I do recommend that you share companies with your audience, see what they like, see what they don't like. And then once you find out what really connects and resonates with your audience, then you can start including your affiliate link and making money. It's important that your audience knows is that you care about them benefiting first. Now on to the 5th step. This is the fun part. This is where you look for an affiliate partner. And so an easy way to do this is go to google.com and type in the company or product that you mentioned in step 2. And you're gonna type in that company. Since I already started talking about Mint Mobile, I'm gonna type in Mint Mobile Affiliate Program. You're gonna type in the same for the company or product that you chose. Once you type that in, the first link that you see, it might be some advertisements, but after that, in most cases, you're gonna see that company affiliate program. In my case, I see Mint Mobile Affiliate Program. You're gonna click that link. And so right away it says become a Mint Mobile partner and earn up to $20 commission on all orders. So I can earn $20 per person that I help save money. But you do have a couple of options. With the example earlier, you can go directly to the company and see if they have an affiliate program, but you can also join affiliate networks. Some of the affiliate networks that I'm a part of are ShareASell, PartnerStack, Impact, and Digistore24. Affiliate networks are places that you can go that all have thousands of companies all on one platform. You don't have to Google or look for each individual affiliate program, but all you have to do is sign up for one network and have access to all of those companies in that network. And so out of all the affiliate programs, I really like PartnerStack. They have a bunch of charts and information which make it really easy to know how much money I'm making from each of my affiliate partnerships. And so within a partnership dashboard, you can see how many times people clicked your affiliate link. You can also see how much money you've made from each of your affiliate partners. And so whether you join a company directly or go with the affiliate network, they're going to provide you with a unique URL, which can look something like this example right here. This URL is going to have a unique name or number that's tied specifically to you, which means that companies are able to say, hey, I got this new customer because of Sally or because of Bob, or because of Darcy. They're able to tie you to their customer because of this link. Now that you have your website and your affiliate links, it's now time to create a freebie. This is something that you're going to give away to your audience for free. This can be a one-page document. This can be a how-to guide on how to sign up for the affiliate program that you just joined, or it can be a checklist. And so you have a ton of options when it comes to what you want to give away for free to your audience. But having a freebie is really important because in exchange, they give you their emails. And when you have your audience's email, you're able to build a closer relationship with them. And so when your audience is able to get to know you more, they're more likely to support you. In addition, the return on investment when it comes to email marketing is that for every $1 you spend, you're gonna get back $36. First step, second step, third step, fourth step, fifth step, sixth step, seventh step, eighth step, ninth step.